To all the wonderful people present here. It is a pleasure to be a part of this splendid occasion, and we welcome everyone once again.
Swami Vivekananda once said, "There is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of women is improved. It is not possible for a bird to fly on one wing." Good evening, everyone. My name is Jennifer.
And this is Adil. We, the students of Grade 5, are here to introduce the most awaited event with an impactful theme, Women Empowerment. It is our honor to be a part of this spectacular evening.
Women's empowerment can be defined as promoting women's sense of self-worth and their ability to determine their own choices and their right to influence social change on themselves and others.
A woman cannot be defined just by her attire, her looks, and her duties. Keith Raghavanshi is here with a poem to define who is a woman.
I am a woman who wears a crown of motherhood. I'm the one to create, to destroy, to balance, and of course to revive. I give birth to Gandhis and Einsteins, Lincolns and Armstrongs. I dress myself each day with numerous attires. A daughter, a wife, a sister, a mother, a friend, or a beloved. I can bear tremendous pain, but welcome you each time with a refreshing smile. I never let my fears undertake my strength. I'm strong. I own the magic to convert a house into a home. With my wings parallel to the horizon, I move towards infinite. I'm a woman. Thank you, everyone.
What a beautiful poem. Women of Bharat had a glorious past where great men's names were known through their mothers' names. Not just this, our countries are also known as motherlands, and we are her sons and daughters. But somewhere down the history, women were pushed to the dark corners of our homes. There arose a need for the woman to raise her voice. Students of grade 5 are here to bring your attention to the verity of womanhood and break all the restrictive boundaries of a woman's life through the dance performance.
दीवारें ऊंची है, गलियां हैं तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँव पे छाले हैं सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे। हम दीप शिक्षा के हैं, जगमगाएंगे जगमगाएंगे जग में, जितने अंधेरे भी हैं हम मिटाएंगे जग में। हम दीप शिक्षा के हैं, जगमगाएंगे जग में।
Now, let us all lend our ears to the voice of every girl child.
सुनो 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 मेरी आवाज सुनो सुनो नया ये साज मुझे पंख मिले हैं आज मुझे लेनी है एक परवाज मुझे पंख मिले हैं आज मुझे लेनी है एक परवाज सुनो सुनो है सुनो सुनो मुझसे चले ये जहान मुझसे है तेरी ये शान मुझसे मिले है भक्ति मैं ही हूँ तेरी शक्ति मुझसे मिले है भक्ति मैं ही हूँ तेरी शक्ति सुनो 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 मेरी आवाज सुनो सुनो नया ये साज मुझे पंख मिले हैं आज मुझे लेनी है एक परवाज सुनो 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 रे सुनो सुनो
What a melodious performance created for women in terms of education and profession in their field of interests without any restrictions or limitations. It is empowering.
Our classmates are here to present plays that depict some of the small changes in attitude and action that can be brought about to truly empower girls who turn into strong women.
Play 1, scene 1, action!
Thank you. What an amazing tea. Your mom prepares the best tea in the whole world.
Yes, Dad.
That's true. I can see you both are doing your homework very sincerely. Arya, could you please get up and clean the table? It's so messed up.
But Dad, I'm doing my homework right now. Shaurya should do it. You never ask him to do anything.
Arya, it's your responsibility to do it. Clean it.
Okay, Dad. Good evening, Auntie.
Good evening, Arya.
Auntie, you please sit. I will call Mom. Mom, Auntie has come.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good as well. Arya, could you please make a lemonade for your auntie?
But Mom, can you please ask Shaurya to do this? He's playing on his laptop and I'm studying for my unit test.
Arya,
Yeah, you should learn household chores. It's very important for a girl to learn all these skills. These skills are essential, Arya.
Why are always girls expected to do the household chores? And what about the boys? Aren't these skills essential for them? Why? Don't they need to learn these skills? Don't you think they are also equally responsible?
oh, there is someone at the door.
Oh, it must be my friend. I'll open the door.
Hi Akhil, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good as well.
Good evening, uncle. Good evening, auntie.
Good evening Akhil.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, uncle. Thank you.
So, what would you like to eat?
I don't want to have anything, auntie. Thank you.
No Akhil, At least have some snacks. I will make you some delicious snacks.
I will help in preparing snacks.
But how will you do that? You don't even know how to cook.
No, Auntie. I am learning cooking and I always help my mother and my sister in household chores. My mother says that it's a life skill that makes us independent. Whether it's a man or woman, everyone should learn household chores.
I'm glad that your mother teaches you such great things. You wait here, I'll make some snacks for you.
After an hour. Thank you, Auntie, for such delicious snacks. Now, I would like to leave as I am getting a little late.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, Akhil. Wait, I will do it. What? Yes, I will clean the table. Today, I promise you that I will never let you down. I will always help you and will take the equal responsibility of all the household chores. You can clean the door and I will mop the floor. All the vegetables you can peel and I will help to prepare the meals. For sharing responsibilities, it's not too late. You and I, let's share the weight.
Sorry, Arya, for burdening with all these responsibilities. We never realized how burdensome it was for you and how we were ruining Soria from becoming more independent.
I promise, my girl, you'll reach the highest skies and I'll be your wings each time you fly.
Play 2, scene 1, action!
I'm really lucky that I have a very understanding family. Now I will be able to focus better on my interests.
Speaking of which, isn't your friend Sakshi playing in the state level badminton tournament tomorrow?
Yes, and I'm sure she will win it. I will be going with my friends to watch the game.
That's wonderful. In fact, I've invited her coach for some high tea tomorrow. Why don't you invite your friends after the match? We can have a good time.
Shaurya and I will prepare a nice tea party for all.
Scene 1, action!
Hello, coach. It's been a long time since our last meeting.
Yes, indeed. Wow, Sakshi, both of you have qualified for the semi-finals. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ayush. In fact, it wouldn't have been possible without Ranjan.
Hey, that's not true. Sakshi did not play a single net shot and her smash were too good. If it weren't Sakshi's return in the third set, they would have surely lost. Hey, you played against them and you lost. Ha 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 ha. Hey, you lost to a girl.
All four of you have shown such great skills on court today, but it was Sakshi and Ranjan who played a better game.
A girl can also be a winner. Champions are not defined by their gender.
Champions are those who persevere and get up when they can't. A girl should be two things.
And what she wants to be.
Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives the strength. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent.
And women, remember,
The question shouldn't be who's going to let me.
Nala,
It's who's going to stop me.
was a feminine.
Aditya, did you enjoy the skits?
You will go.
Yes, what a grand performance.
After that inspiring skit, students of grade 5 are here to depict some of their selfless souls who sowed seeds to vocalize women's challenges and fought for equality.
Namaste everyone. Namaste everyone. I am Dr. Ritu Karidal. I am an Indian scientist working with the ISRO. I was the Deputy Mission Director of Mars Orbiter Mission. I also spearheaded the Chandrayaan-2 mission. I received the ISRO Young Scientist Award from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Namaste. I am Vanitha Muthaya. I was Project Director of Chandrayaan-2 lunar mission of ISRO. I was awarded Best Woman Scientist by the Astronomical Society of India. Namaste everyone. I am Draupadi Murmu and I am the 15th and the current President of India. I belong to the tribal Santali family from Odisha. I received Neelkant Award for Best MLA of Odisha Legislative Assembly. Thank you. Hello, I am Mary Kom, also known as Magnificent Mary. I am the only woman to win the World Amateur Boxing Championship 6 times. I am also the only boxer among men and women to win 8 World Championship medals. I was also awarded Padma Vibhushan. Thank you. Namaste, I am Om Prakash. I constituted a Kanya Vidya Pracharya Sabha, which is a society to spread education among girls. I also founded the Gurjar Kanya Vidya Mandir, which is now a degree college for girls. I was awarded Padma Shri Award. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Mahavir Singh Fogat. I come from a heavily male-dominated society where girls are married off at a very young age. But I chose a different path. I trained my daughters to become world-famous wrestlers. Mari choriya choro se kam hai ke? Thank you.
Stronger women build stronger countries.
A really strong woman accepts the war she went through and is ennobled by her scars.
Here we have girls of grade 5 performing a dance depicting women in armed forces as a tribute to women power.
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी कदम मिला के देखो तो मैं साथ में तेरे चल दूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी
Of not just wielding a knife in a kitchen, but also wielding a gun if the needs arise. Wasn't that a mesmerizing performance?
So where do women of India stand in the present day? 10.5% of the total members of the Indian Parliament are women. 95% of the Nifty 500 companies have a woman in their board of directors. Women literacy is at 70.3%. The day we stop viewing women's growth as mere statistics.
Yes, and the day it becomes an ordinary sight to see a woman's role in all areas.
That will be the day we can say that women have been truly empowered.
This was our modest attempt to showcase the theme of women empowerment in independent India. Hope we were able to reach out to all of you.
We take this opportunity to thank our school management for all the support and motivation they have provided us. Our sincere thanks to all those who were part of this event. Thank you.